After receiving the machine, you need to install these 4 screws onto it. Here are the 4 screws. Now we have taken it apart. When it arrives for the customer, they should install the screws themselves. And this position is an internal hexagonal one. When disassembling, when the screw is inserted through it, you need to secure this part and then tighten the internal hexagonal screw. After all the installation is completed, you need to insert this silicone ring and secure it on the opposite side. Then, tighten and connect this clamp. Make sure the lock is properly connected. Otherwise, if you don't secure it properly, the powder will leak out. Turn around. This one here is the feeding machine, so it senses our screw. If the powder is below its sensing position, it performs a feeding operation. Then, regarding the feeding process, can it be controlled? Is there any sensing mechanism? When the material level is low, how long does it take to start feeding? So in this case, under the normal settings, it's 5 seconds. And it could be even shorter. Let me give you an example. It senses that the quantity is insufficient. We can add the ingredients within 3 seconds. This side is increasing and this side is decreasing. Then, in this case, if we operate it normally, it will be on this side. When it rotates forward, the screw is responsible for feeding the material. After a whole day of work, we need to remove the material from the screw. To do this, we must first open this opening. To open this opening, you need to do it, then find a bag to catch it. After that, please move the reversal mechanism over to this side. After this is done, the material from the screw will be discharged from here. Then, as usual, when it reaches the point of being automatically activated, it follows the instructions given by the screw. At that time here, there is an aviation plug connected to the end of our screw. This plug is used to connect to the sensor. At that time here, there is an aviation plug connected to the end of our screw. This plug is used to connect to the sensor. When you open the electrical box, you will find this cloth cover inside. Where is it placed? When it is used, it will be placed at this opening, the material inlet. Then, it will be attached to this opening for cutting. Then, just put this cover on. Then, insert this clamp and tighten it. The bottom cover can be positioned in this way. Fix it in place. Then use this one, just tighten it with the clamp as well. We randomly got this sensor. So, what about this sensor? Where is it installed? Turn it open. After you open it, put it in from here. And after you put it in, what should you do? Open this here, tighten this nut onto it. Then for the other end, connect this end to the previous one. Just align them and it's done. Then tighten it.